Today we are going to start with brief introduction of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. In HTML there are two types of tags. One is your paired, another is your unpaired. Mostly tags are your paired, who is having both open as well as close. Bold, underline, similarly italic. And unpaired tags are like, if you want to put next line, for that you will use break, BR tag. And if you want on the horizontal line, for that you will use HR. Okay guys, now syntax of HTML. Firstly we will write doc type, HTML. After that our main working area is body. And if you want to put any kind of heading, for that you can use head start, head close. Meanwhile head you can put the title. Welcome to. Now you can save your file having an extension HTML on any platform, even on desktop or in any drive guys. Fine. Now you want your name in bold effect, for that you will start B, hello, B close. You want your name in underline effect, for that you will start U, U close. B for bold, U for underline. For italic I'll use I tag. If you want to move any text, for that we will use marquee. Marquee is used to move any text, images. Now we'll check the output. Come to desktop. You can see hello, hi. Hello is in bold form, hi is in underline, welcome is in italic, and hello is moving continuously. So if you want to put everyone in next line, for that I told you the unpaired tag BR. BR is for next line guys. Fine. Now next is your, for example I want to write first, and you see ST comes on top. If you want to put anything on top, for that you will use superscript tag, sub start and sub close. Similarly you want second, you want ND on top, sub start and sub close. And if you want to put anything in bottom, for example you want to write the formula of oxygen, O2, for that you will write, instead P you will write B sub. Now you can check the output. ST comes on top, ND comes on top, and in oxygen 2 come in bottom. Okay guys, so these are the tag. B for bold, I for italic, U for underline. To move any text we will use marquee. Superscript is for top, subscript is for bottom guys. Now next, if you want to create paragraph, for that we will write P start, introduction of HTML, and P close. Fine. Next is your headings. For example, you want to write essay in HTML, so you can give 6 types of heading from H1 to H6. H1 is your largest heading, H2 is small second numbers, H3 similarly H4, and the smallest one is H6. So there are 6 types of headings from H1 to H6, guys. So you can see this is your paragraph, this one is your heading. Got it? Now come to the next tags. For example, you want to put anchor tag in HTML. Anchor tag, you can say, like, it is a link tag. You want to link your HTML page to any website or any HTML page. For that we will write anchor start, hello, anchor close. Fine. Now you want to give your anchor tag reference. For that we will use href, http www.gmail.com, or you can say instagram.com. So now you can check, like when I clicked on hello, it automatically goes to the next page, that is your website is Instagram. Similarly, you can give internal page links also. Here you can write b.html, c.html. Fine, guys. Next is your display image using HTML. For example, you know the journal extension of image will be .jpg, png, .gif. Fine. If you want to display any image, for that you will write img-src. img-src means image source. Fine. So firstly we'll check. For example, I want to use any image. First I'll download it from internet. So I'm using the image 1.jpg. So this one is the image, and to check the extension, go to right click, properties, you can check the extension. It is .jpg. So you'll write 1.jpg. There is some EG. Now you want to customize image according to yours. For that you will put height and width. This unit is in pixels. Fine, guys. And if you want to move this image, for that you will use marquee tag. Marquee start, marquee close. Earlier I told you now that marquee is to move any image or text or image. Fine. So to link any tag, for that you will use anchor tag. To move any image you will use marquee tag. And how to display the image, img-src, and you can mention the height and width. Next is your ordered and unordered list. For example, you want 1, 2, 3 in front of any food items. For that you will start OL start, OL close. OL stand for ordered list. Fine. Within OL you can put LI. LI is for list tag. tea, coffee, milk. Similarly, you want, instead of 1 2 3 4, you want bullets. For that you will write unordered list. Your O will replace by U. U stand for unordered list. Now you can check the output. Here 1 2 3 4 comes in ordered list, and in unordered list bullets come. Got it? Now next is your table design. Guys, remember one thing while designing table using HTML. Rows are denoted by TR. We are going to create a table having 3 rows and 2 columns. And columns are denoted by TD. And the line outside the table is known as border. Fine. So, table start, and we will close the table. The line outside the table is known as border. 5, 10, 15, whatever you want to give. How many rows we are going to create? Earlier I told you we are going to create a table having 3 rows and 2 columns. First row start close, second row start close, third row start close. Now TD, ID start, ID close. We are adding the student name and their ID numbers. TD close. Now come to the next. Again in second row we'll put 2 columns. 1 Tanuj, 2 Disha. So this is the way how to create a table. Fine. Now these 2 boxes are combined. If you want to put space between 2 boxes, for that you will give cell spacing. Cell spacing is a space between 2 boxes. And cell padding is a space between text and border. For example, you want space between these 2. For that you will use cell spacing. Fine. So this is the way to create table. Now you can see. Okay guys, keep practicing and keep studying.